Yeah. So I want to say like video ads, sponsored displays, headline search ads, all of that stuff maybe will add 10 to 20% to your revenue. The way that I do it is I wait till all of my PPC is up and running and everything is good, and then I start taking one profitable keyword at a time, and I'll run it for those, and I do everything separate. So I don't do multiple keywords per campaign. I only do one keyword for each campaign. And so for video, for example, I'll go in and I identify all of the keywords that are doing, let's say between 1% ACOS to 30% ACOS, and I'll take them one by one and I'll start running video ads. And then I obviously will vary the different ads. So maybe I'll run like 2 or 3 different video ads per keyword. So I usually like three maximum per keyword. So 3 video ads per keyword, only profitable keywords. And then sponsored display and headline search ads is the exact same thing. I'm just pretty much taking all of the profitable keywords from my PPC search term reports, and I'm launching just for those. And then obviously the main ones. I always run stuff for the main keyword.
Yes, and I also noticed your product video on your listing, which was a great video, by the way. I love the video. So do you think that product video has increased your conversion rates and everyone should be having a product video now?
Yeah, I think it definitely increases conversion rate. I definitely think you should have a product video. If you can do enhanced brand content, definitely do enhanced brand content. Keep your enhanced brand content like low amount of words. Initially, put a lot of words just so you can kind of rank for those keywords, but after that, switch it into much less words and just infographic. Make it very easy to read. But I definitely think that they do increase. It's nothing significant. You're not going to go from 15% conversion to 25%, but maybe you're going to go from like a 20% to a 22% conversion rate. And everything counts. Every little bit adds.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.